Hello, it's a new day. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will just be, I'll just be showing you what I do to get ready at night before I go to bed. Just getting in the shower, putting on some skincare, and then I will transition the video showing you my nighttime cleaning routine. Today was Taco Tuesday, so we cooked tacos. I will be cleaning up the kitchen, getting ready for work in the morning. So I just wanted everything to be clean before I go to bed. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Now let's get into the video.
If only you could see me now. If only you